Yeah, yesterday and the day before I installed a consumer unit there to change this old one. And need to be rewired with a 6mm square cable, so I can remove all these cables outside, about 6 of them. And let me get that out. This is my long bed Super 7, which I did all the back plate, splash plate, and it's not finished totally, completely, but yeah, I always cover things so I don't like them to be scratched or get dirty. And this is one of the spindles which I am boring to 19mm, and I'm gonna have another shelf here to put all the centers and chucks and things there. I'm tidying up a lot of stuff. I reinstalled that shelf there, and I'm gonna put a control panel here, okay, to operate stepper motors, which they're gonna be, one is gonna be here and the other one is gonna be maybe at the top, so that top slide can be rotated, and that top slide is being set to NT3, so I can finish the boring do the NT3 in this spindle inside. I don't want it too long, just 1.5 inches, and that's it. I have another spindle which I'm gonna do, and I've got all the bits and pieces for doing the boring here, and yeah, so maybe I'm gonna put a motor here, okay, to operate the lead screw. This lead screw is being made on this machine, brand new EN8, and yeah, which is working fine, nice and smooth. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I can trip this off when the carriage or the saddle is going in that direction. I've got an idea now, and I'm gonna do it. And yeah, so it's I'm gonna fit I just fitted 2 horsepower on this machine at the back, and I'm gonna use the coolant as well, so I need to fit it there at the back, but with a different configuration, make life easy, so it's not going to be interfering with the head with the tailstock. And yeah, so it looks good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, I did this. It's nice and sturdy. I welded a lot of things. It's not very good finish, but it's do the job. Okay, I'm gonna order more paint, green paint, just for touch up, because I've got a few scratches while I was working, like for example here, at the back. Well, repaint this one, touch it up. I've got some scratches here. Yes, it's funny because it is the same tin which contains that color, but when I painted that one, I did not stir or mix the paint, and this, when I mix the paint, it become that, but that contain a bit of a glue. Yeah, so it is a bit different, but doesn't matter for me, it's the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna fit stepper motor here and stepper motor here, maybe underneath here, okay, and so it's not going to be interfering with the lever there for the clasp nut or the half nut. Yeah, and it looks good. Everything has been set up. I need to fit the VFD. The VFD, it's in there, still not being sorted out, but I did test it and it's working. This is my first machine, and I moved the gearbox, yeah, from there, and I put it here. And this machine, it's really, really nice, and it's I used it for the last 10 years, 10, 15 years rather. And my friend, he want this machine. He has a 3-phase, and I'm gonna fit everything properly, and you know, fix everything as need to be, and give it to him. Yeah, he hasn't got a space now. He's got ML7, and I did make that sort of splashback, the plate, and I was using it anyway, so I can have more room. So this is the shed. Just a couple of days ago it was chaotic, so I sorted out quite a lot of things, and I'm gonna sort out my desk for my electronic and electrical work, so I can sort out my sort of stepper motor and controls and the, yeah, and I'm gonna start using my computer with my two monitors there to design things and do some, you know, some work. I'm gonna tidy up this maybe in a couple of days. Yeah, so that's it. So this is my turning center. It's gonna be, and well, slowly I'll get there. Okay.